In the heart of India, the tale of Holi is spun from the threads of mythology, tradition, and communal harmony. It is a story that transcends time, dating back to ancient Hindu scriptures, the Puranas. The core of Holi's story stems from the legend of Prahlada, a young prince and his unshakable devotion to Lord Vishnu. Prahlada, despite the cruel intentions of his power-hungry father, King Hiranyakashipu, remained a steadfast devotee of Lord Vishnu. His father, consumed by his ego, wished to be worshipped as a god, but Prahlada's devotion was unyielding. Enraged, the king plotted to kill his son with the help of his sister, Holika. Cloaked in a shawl that would protect her from fire, Holika lured Prahlada into a pyre. But in a divine twist of fate, the shawl flew from Holika, shielding Prahlada. Holika perished and Prahlada emerged unscathed. This tale is a testament to the triumph of good over evil, and the fire ritual, or Holika Dahan, commemorates this victory on the eve of Holi. The next day, the world awakens to a spectacle of colors. Holi celebrates the arrival of spring, love, and new beginnings. It's a day when social norms blur, and everyone, irrespective of age, gender, or social status, comes together to revel in joy and color. But Holi is not just a day of color and revelry. It is a melting pot of traditions, a symphony of rituals, songs, and dances. It's about savoring festive delicacies, about the rhythm of toll beats echoing in the streets, about the shared laughter and playful banter. In the span of this video, we traveled through time, exploring the vibrant world of Holi. We delved into the heart of its ancient story, a tale of devotion and the triumph of good over evil. We discovered the rituals that marked the festival, from the fiery Holika Dahan to the joyous color play the following day. We experienced the spirit of Holi, a celebration of spring, love, and community. Holi is more than a festival. It's a testament to the vibrancy of human spirit, the joy of community, and the colorful tapestry of life itself. So the next time you find yourself amidst the riot of colors, remember, you're not just part of a festival, but a story that has been unfolding for centuries. A story that celebrates life, love, and the triumph of good over evil.